tomato recipe. This is a step up from ketchup. It's really good.
Step up from ketchup. Yep.
Yeah, step up from ketchup.
Oof, takes it down.
That one's really nice. But this one, if you know, you know. This is the start of everything.
Yeah.
The pickle ketchup.
Straight down the hatch.
It's really good. I love this one because it makes everything taste like McDonald's.
That's it. It's plant-based. McDonald's secret recipe is a vegan ketchup.
So this is a Jamie Oliver
Vegan edition.
what? Yeah,
Pan.
Right, whatever. You can use stainless steel. Maybe that's better because I don't know if this will scratch or all that. So I'm turning up the heat. This is tinned tomato, diced, or you can use a whole plum tomato, but it's a tinned tomato. And yeah, this is from Woolworths, and it's a big one.
Were they made? It says Italian tomatoes. Is it because the tomatoes speak Italian?
Perhaps.
Why do the tomatoes turn red? Sort of salad dressing. What was it, Italy?
Yeah, it's produced in Italy.
So there might be argumentative tomatoes. They might be fiery.
That's right. Okay. So, this is a bigger can actually. Doesn't matter. Proportions don't matter. We're gonna... Oh, crap. Okay. Pan is going. This is a high heat. And don't be scared to sizzle. There's no sizzle. Because it's a flavor. Okay, you can use however much. This is actually quite a lot.
Yeah.
But that's the good thing about this recipe. You can cook it and just leave it in the fridge. And
You just hyperextend your elbow. Holy damn! Snapped it into the. Oh, that's the cartilage.
That's not even. Okay, so you don't want to waste that either. So what you can do is
Water.
Honestly, it doesn't matter if you put too much because you can just cook this thing down.
Yeah.
But seems like this one's a bit weak, so doesn't matter. Doesn't need to be bubbling. Like literally, just throw it in. Okay, anyone can make this. Okay.
Easy cheap. I think where these tomatoes even come from, they come from the bin or what?
No, we got this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Because those cashews, they were dumpster dived. A lot of stuff gets dumpster dived. Gnocchi was dumpster dived.
Oh, where's the sugar?
Sugar, I was down at the, near the back window. I was making a video.
Window.
Yeah, where the pigeons access sugar.
So these are the two other ingredients that you need. Tomato ketchup, just for more tomato ketchup flavor. If you don't have it, then just skip it. And white sugar or any sugar. Okay. So it needs to have some heat going, okay?
Yeah, high heat. Jordan 4s, Black Cats, A180 Ultramarines, Nike BW Persians, high heat.
High heat.
So we're filming today on iPhone 16 Pro.
This might take some time. But anyways, you don't even need to wait for it. Just go. Sugar.
Sugar.
There's no, I don't know the measurement, okay?
There's no substitute for the real stuff.
You're just gonna add sugar however much you want. Okay. Well, you're gonna taste it as well. Doesn't matter. You just put whatever. Okay. You're gonna let it like simmer down, cook down.
Yeah.
Until it's not as watery and like flavors are developing. That's what you're waiting for.
Okay.
Get the sauce hot. And sometimes what you can also do is put a little bit of salt or soy sauce.
Oh yeah.
Let's do a little bit.
China style.
Yeah, so this is Lee Kum Kee.
What's it called?
Lee Kum Kee, that's the brand.
Lee Kum Kee.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Premium soy sauce.
Vegetarians and vegans.
Oh,
Okay, see, look, it's starting to bubble. Okay, that's just for the China
element.
not too much. So it's bubbling, and you don't want it to be splattering all over here. Your mom would get angry, so.
Yeah. So
So get it moving, keep it moving, and keep an eye on the fire, okay? You don't need to be like volcanic. Anyways, let it cook. Don't need to be stirring too much either. So yeah, this is China red tomato recipe. Maybe that's what I'll call it.
Red flag.
So when I went back to China, my granddad kept making me this, and it's really special.
Nice. When you have it with rice or whatever.
Yeah, rice. This goes with rice, anything. But because it's so sweet and I added so much sugar, it's perfect with rice. And the color is really appetizing.
So this is also a good meal for diabetics because it's very, very low fat. Very, very low fat. Diabetics, and yeah, this will create a lot of insulin sensitivity because insulin resistance is caused by excess dietary fat and protein. So this is something that Harold Hemsworth, the founder of diabetes medications and research, Harold Hemsworth came up with the distinguishment from insulin resistance and insulin sensitivity, type 1 versus type 2. It was Harold Hemsworth that came up with that. And he concluded the protein and the fat intake is the cause of the diabetes and the insulin resistance. So pretty crazy. So Harold Hemsworth, this is a Harold Hemsworth recipe approved. Hemsworth approved recipes, super low fat, super low protein with rice, no oil, no animal. Done.
Yeah, and tomatoes are also very good for heart health because they're high in lycopene.
That's right.
So if you have heart issues, or to prevent heart issues, you need to eat tomatoes. And the color is just good for your skin.
Definitely.
Can you imagine all the vitamin A and
X factors, yeah.
And there's something else I wanted to say. Oh yeah, so because tomatoes can be kind of like sour or tart, and we add the sugar, it just is perfect. Really tasty. And in Chinese or Cantonese, we say ho hai wei, ho hai wei. Yeah, ho hai wei. And that means like it's really,
Nice.
yeah, like appetizing. So if you don't have time and you want to save on, I don't know, what you call this?
Food prep, money, gas,
Yeah,
resources.
Exactly. Yeah, you don't even need to cook it all the way because as it's cooling down, water is going to evaporate out of the thing anyways. So you can let it go even more watery and just, it coats the rice even better, right? So you can have a taste test now. Ooh. Would you like to taste test first?
Yeah.
It's hot.
Yeah.
And you tell me if it needs more sugar or whatever.
Alright.
Does it need more sugar?
No, it's really good. It's like, because if we put more sugar in there, it'll probably lose the savoury edge.
That's not sweet enough for me.
Alright, then more sugar for you then. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it takes, guys. High energy girls, they like the sweet stuff. Yeah.
It's not sweet enough. So I like it really sweet.
Yeah. I think because I've been eating sugar all day, like my sugar limit is like getting reached almost. That's the beautiful thing about sugar. It's self-limiting. You know, if you want more, have more. Simple as that. We've had enough. Your body will say, I've had enough. Sugar's amazing. Sugar's your best friend. Along with water and sleep. If you know, you know.
That's good enough.
Alright.
And I'm going to leave it there. That is ready. And so what you do is, this is the rice cooking here. When it's ready, put it on. Top it up.
That easy.
Cover it up. And
That
it's just
easy.
like, wow, it's so red, it's so white, it's so China.
Yeah.
And it's like just so
So,
gorgeous.
and the cleanup's easy as well. It's just so water soluble. No oils, greases.
Exactly.
So no need for
oil.
dishwashing.
And
or
it's
anything.
not sticking.
Nah.
See, it's so watery.
Yeah.
And okay, if you want to add more things to it, feel free to add like spinach
Spinach.
or mushrooms before.
Yeah.
You can cook it before. You can add anything. You can add fresh tomatoes.
Yeah.
You can add gnocchi in here right now.
Yeah.
Add anything you want. But this is just a sauce base, basically.
Yeah.
just add sugar
Yeah.
to your chopped tomatoes.
And if you want diabetes, just add oil to it. Add oil and meat and stuff. If you want diabetes, add oil, meat, cream, fat. Even those cashews over there, they'll give you some insulin resistance. It's got too much fat in there. I've got those in the bin. So yeah.
So that's ready.
Very good. Excellent show. Home cooked meals. Can't complain with that.
Thanks for watching.